Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Husqvarna FC 450 Factory Edition, a motocross machine built with factory-level precision, race-focused engineering, and championship-inspired performance. Let's dive straight into what makes this bike stand out in the ultra-competitive 450 class. Design and styling. The 2026 Husqvarna FC 450 Factory Edition immediately stands apart with its bold factory race graphics and unmistakable Husqvarna identity. The clean white bodywork combined with blue and yellow accents reflects the brand's racing heritage while delivering a premium, professional appearance. The body panels are slim and aggressively styled, giving the bike a compact and purposeful stance. Every line and surface is designed to support performance, from improved rider movement to efficient airflow and reduced mud buildup. The factory edition branding reinforces its race-ready nature and makes it clear this is not a standard motocross bike, it's built to compete. Engine and performance. At the heart of the FC 450 Factory Edition lies a powerful 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder four-stroke engine engineered for elite-level motocross racing. Power delivery is strong and immediate, offering explosive acceleration while maintaining impressive control across the rev range. The advanced fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response and consistent performance in varying conditions. Whether launching off the start gate or powering through technical sections, the engine delivers smooth yet aggressive output that experienced riders will appreciate. The lightweight internal design also helps maintain quick revving behavior without sacrificing durability. Chassis and suspension. The FC 450 Factory Edition is built around a lightweight, high-strength chassis that offers precise feedback and excellent balance. The frame design provides controlled flex for improved stability while maintaining rigidity for sharp handling on demanding tracks. Premium suspension components are tuned for competitive motocross use. Fully adjustable front forks and a high-performance rear shock are designed to absorb harsh impacts, maintain traction, and keep the bike composed over jumps, whoops, and rough terrain. This setup allows riders to fine-tune suspension settings to match different track layouts and riding styles. Electronics and advanced features. The Factory Edition comes equipped with modern electronics that enhance performance and adaptability. Multiple ride modes allow riders to adjust engine characteristics depending on track conditions and personal preference. Traction control helps manage power delivery during hard acceleration, particularly on loose or slick surfaces. These electronic aids work subtly in the background, supporting rider confidence without interfering with the raw motocross experience. Together, these features give the FC 450 Factory Edition a competitive edge straight out of the box. Price. In the United States, the 2026 Husqvarna FC 450 Factory Edition is priced at approximately $12,799, positioning it as a premium motocross machine with factory-inspired components, advanced electronics, and race-ready performance. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. If you enjoy detailed motorcycle reviews and the latest motocross machines, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep it fast and ride smart.